The journey of sperm production is a remarkable and intricate process, one that unfolds deep within the male reproductive system. The story begins in the testicles, or testes, which are housed within the scrotum, a pouch of skin that hangs just outside the body. This unique location is no accident. The slightly cooler temperature of the scrotum is essential for the healthy development of sperm. But how long does it actually take for sperm to mature, and what exactly happens along the way? Let's embark on the fascinating journey from the very beginnings of sperm production to the point where sperm are ready to play their crucial role in human reproduction. Sperm production is scientifically known as spermatogenesis. This process begins in the seminiferous tubules, which are tiny, coiled structures inside the testes. Within these tubules, millions of sperm are being created at any given time. But the story doesn't start with a fully formed sperm cell. Instead, it begins with a type of cell called a spermatogonium. These cells are similar to stem cells and have the potential to divide and develop into mature sperm. The first step in this journey is the transformation of spermatogonia into primary spermatocytes. This change is triggered by hormones, specifically by follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH, which are secreted by the pituitary gland in the brain. These hormones signal the testes to start the process of spermatogenesis. As spermatogonia divide, they undergo several stages of development, each one bringing them closer to becoming a mature sperm cell. As the spermatogonia become primary spermatocytes, they undergo a special type of cell division called meiosis. This is different from regular cell division because it reduces the number of chromosomes by half. Human cells usually have 46 chromosomes, but sperm cells, after meiosis, have only 23. This is vital because when a sperm fertilizes an egg, which also contains 23 chromosomes, the resulting embryo will have the correct number of chromosomes, 46. After the first round of meiosis, the primary spermatocyte becomes a secondary spermatocyte. These cells quickly undergo a second round of meiosis, resulting in cells called spermatids. The journey from spermatogonium to spermatid is lengthy and complex, involving numerous changes in the cell's structure and genetic material. But even as spermatids, these cells are not yet ready to do their job. They lack the characteristic tail that allows sperm to swim and do not yet have the streamlined shape needed to navigate the female reproductive tract. The next phase is called spermiogenesis. During this stage, spermatids undergo a dramatic transformation. They develop a tail, known as a flagellum, which will eventually propel them forward. Their head becomes compact and streamlined, containing tightly packed genetic material. A cap-like structure called the acrosome forms over the head, which will help the sperm penetrate the outer layers of the egg during fertilization. The midpiece of the sperm fills with mitochondria, which provide the energy needed for its journey. Finally, after weeks of development, the spermatids are transformed into mature sperm, known as spermatozoa. These spermatozoa are released from the walls of the seminiferous tubules and move into the epididymis, a long, coiled tube attached to the back of each testicle. It's here in the epididymis that sperm undergo their final stage of maturation, gaining the ability to swim and fertilize an egg. This journey through the epididymis can take several days. From the very beginning of spermatogenesis to the point where sperm are fully mature and ready to be ejaculated, the entire process takes about 64 to 72 days, roughly 2 to 2.5 months. This means that the sperm present in an ejaculation today actually began their development several months ago. This continuous cycle ensures that men are almost always producing new sperm, with millions being generated every single day. But the journey isn't over once sperm reach maturity. During ejaculation, sperm are propelled from the epididymis through the vas deferens, a muscular tube that carries them toward the urethra. Along the way, they mix with fluids produced by the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and other accessory glands. These fluids form semen, which nourishes and protects the sperm, providing them with a medium in which to swim. It's important to note that the quality and quantity of sperm can be influenced by a variety of factors throughout this process. Lifestyle choices, such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, and exposure to certain environmental toxins can all impact sperm production and health. Even factors like stress, lack of sleep, or overheating the testes, such as through frequent use of hot tubs, can negatively affect sperm maturation. Conversely, a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoidance of harmful substances can support optimal sperm production. Age can also play a role, though men continue to produce sperm throughout their lives. However, as men age, the quality of sperm may decline, with an increased risk of genetic mutations and decreased motility. This is why, while men can father children well into later life, fertility tends to decrease with age. The intricate process of sperm production is a testament to the complexity and precision of the human body. Each step, from the division of spermatogonia to the maturation and storage of sperm in the epididymis, is carefully regulated by hormones and influenced by overall health and environment. The journey of sperm, spanning more than 2 months, is an essential part of human reproduction, a silent, ongoing process that underpins the miracle of life. For anyone concerned about fertility or interested in understanding their reproductive health, knowing about the timeline and delicate nature of sperm maturation is valuable. It highlights the importance of taking care of one's body and being mindful of habits and exposures that can impact this critical process. Ultimately, the journey of sperm production is a powerful reminder of biology's wonders and the incredible ways in which life is perpetually renewed, one cell at a time.